Hello students, this is chapter 2, discover lesson 3. In these two pictures, we see the names of organs. This is the heart, stomach, veins, muscle, skin, bones. And here we have two pictures. This fruit, we call it tangerine. It is something like orange. And here are the two hands. They are similar because they have skin. They are different because they have different colors. In this text, we learn that this is our skin. It has three layers or three parts: top skin or top layer, middle skin or middle layer, bottom skin or bottom layer. And we learn that the sun may harm our skin, so we need to put sunscreen. Look, this is the effect of sun. If there's sunscreen, the sunscreen protects the skin. The sun goes up, or the sunscreen reflects the sun, so it protects the skin. But in this part, the sun heat and rays goes into the skin and it may cause harm to your skin. Here we have an experiment, something we do to find out why the sunscreen is important. If you have a paper and you put sunscreen on half of the paper and you leave the other half without sunscreen, then you put it in the sun, what will happen? The part with sunscreen will protect the paper. The sun will damage the paper. After the experiment, the colors, the color didn't change. Here, the color changed. In this experiment, students, we learn that if we have a paper, black paper, for example, black paper, and we divide it into two parts, then we put sunscreen on one part, and we leave the other part without sunscreen, then we put it in the sun. What will happen? I think the sunscreen will protect the paper, but the part of the paper without sunscreen, the sun will damage it. After the experiment, I find that the color didn't change in the part with sunscreen, but it changed in the part without sunscreen. What happened to the side without sunscreen? Did the paper color change or stay the same? It changed. How is the side with sunscreen different from the side without sunscreen? The color didn't change. You saw the effect of sunscreen had on paper. What effect do you think sunscreen has on your skin? It protects my skin. What does this investigation teach us about the importance of using something to block our skin from sun rays? It is important to use sunscreen. In this part, we learn that our body moves using using bones and muscles. They are working together. Without bones, we can't move. With muscles alone, we can't move. We need also bones not only to move but also to protect our organs. For example, the skull protects our brain and eyes. Ribs protects our heart, and so on. Here's an experiment to show how our muscles work. We have a cartoon, we cut it like a finger, then we have a straw, and we cut it like the bones, then we put a yarn, and we use it to pull the cartoon. What part of the model represents the muscle? Yarn. What part of the model represents the bones? Straw. How do the bones and muscles in your body in your model work to make the finger move? The yarn pulls the straw. It means the yarn pulls the straw like the muscles pull the bones in your body. It is the same. This is the end of our lesson.